In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Chrome in Windows 7 Ultimate using the safest and simplest method possible. If you're using an older PC and want a fast, familiar browser, Chrome is still one of the easiest browsers to set up. And if this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more step-by-step computer guides. Alright, let's get started. First, open any browser that is already installed on your computer. On Windows 7 Ultimate, that could be Internet Explorer, Firefox, or any other browser you have available. The goal here is simply to get online so we can find the official Chrome download page. Once your browser is open, go to the search bar and type Google Chrome download, then press enter. This will bring up search results related to Chrome. At this point, you want to be careful and make sure you choose the official Google website, not a random download page or a third-party site. Official download pages are always the safest option because they help protect your computer from fake installers, bundled software, and unsafe files. Look through the results and open the official Google Chrome download page. Usually the correct link will clearly show Google as the source and mention Chrome directly. If you're ever unsure, take a moment to confirm the web address and make sure it looks legitimate before clicking anything else. After the official page loads, you'll see the Download Chrome button. Click that button to begin the download process. Your browser may ask where you want to save the file, so choose a location that is easy to remember, like your Downloads folder or your desktop. Then save the setup file. Once the file finishes downloading, you can open it to begin installing Chrome on your Windows 7 Ultimate computer. If the installer prompts you for permission, click Yes or run the file to continue. From there, Chrome will start setting itself up automatically. If you ever have trouble downloading it, double check that your internet connection is working and that you're using the official Chrome page. Older systems like Windows 7 can sometimes be a little slower, so just give the download a moment to complete. And that's it. You've now learned how to download Chrome in Windows 7 Ultimate the safe way. If this video helped, please make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.